Oh.
$50. No way.
Oh man, she can't afford this. I'm gonna grab them for her.
What? What? What are you doing?
I don't think she can afford anything, so I'm gonna grab it for her.
Really?
Yeah, let's just go see.
All right.
Double the diapers.
Oh man, she's getting all the cheap.
Keep them. Oh, she can't get the diaper rash cream. I'm gonna grab it.
Okay. Wow. Oh dear.
I'm gonna get her some flavored Pedialyte.
Okay.
Oh, she can't afford the infant milk. It's an expensive formula.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's a good. Yeah, it's a good one. I'll get it for her.
Oh, nice. And what else?
Oh man, poor thing. Come on. Oh, she wants a neutral bullet. Oh,
They're so good.
they are good. Excuse me.
Yep.
Hi. I just noticed that, you know, I just noticed that you were looking at all of these items and that you put them back.
Yeah,
And-
I don't have enough money for all that stuff. I'm a new mom, single parent. Yeah, I just am paying up what I can.
Well, I was a single mom, and I know how hard it is, and I struggled really hard with it. And I was lucky enough to have people that helped me out, and I promised them that I would pay it forward. So I would like to help you out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Is this a stack of 100s?
Mm-hmm.
Like, are you, no. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Are you really sure? This is a lot of money.
Yep. Yep. I was helped
This
that
is-
way too.
Like, 1, 2, 3, 400, 500,
Yeah.
600. You guys really okay with this?
Yeah.
700, 800,
Yeah.
900, 1100, 1200. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. My pleasure. This is gonna help me out. I could buy like all of this.
Yeah. It's
I could
yours.
back all the cheap stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You can
Thank
take
you.
the trolley.
I'll take the trolley.
We can put the other stuff back
Yeah,
for
we'll
You
you.
put the other stuff back?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
How about it?
Oh, my water bottle. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Welcome.
I can't even buy one of those things. Oh, and oh my god, I'm so sick.
Have a great day.